how y'all doing? Tsahi here. So nice to be back again. It's been a while. The last time I was with you, I had a little adventure of sorts. I hope you checked out that video. If not, I'll link it above. But this will be a quick video. We're going to talk about this unit I'm wearing right now. This is the Neesha H302 Quick Weave by Outre, and I must say Outre came through with this unit. They did. And I am late to the Neesha train because from all the videos I've been watching and stuff, Neesha's been around for a few years back, and that would have been the lace front. This is a half wig. This one doesn't come all the way down. There's no lace to cut. It's a quick put on, the quickest slay you could think of, and you're out the door, right? So this one, yeah, I will definitely recommend it. And the texture is amazing. Let me just come up close so you could see it. Like, just get into it. Just get into it, guys. Just get into the texture. So it mimics a fresh relax and blowout flat iron. You know, remember those days when you used to go and get your hair blown out, straightened out, and that is what it looks like. Oh, by the way, season's greetings. It's that time of the year. I hope you all ready for everything that this wonderful season brings. I just wish you happiness, success, and I just wish you all the best. Let me just tell you a little bit about Neesha H302. I'm wearing the DR2 Cinnamon Spice. I think it's a specialty color. It also comes in natural colors like 1B, 1, 2, 4, so those are the natural colors, right? And the specialty colors, let me come in close so you can see them. So that would be like cinnamon spice, that would be like hazelnut, honey brown, golden honey melt, and I believe these specialty colors maybe like $1 more or something on those websites. So I would have paid $16.99 for mine, and I believe it's $15.99 because of sales and stuff. I believe it's a little cheaper. So anywhere between $15 to $16, anywhere around there, that's how much I paid for it. So it's a steal of a deal. Let me just get up so you can see what it looks like. So it goes midway down my back. It's layered, beautifully layered. This is the stock card. So you see there's like a V shape down to the back. So she's quite gorgeous. Lovely, lovely unit. The normal cap construction, the 2 combs in the front, a long comb at the back with adjustable straps. It's a stretchy net cap, so I would say it's beard friendly. It went on my head snugly only because I adjusted my straps before I applied it. Today I'm wearing it as a headband wig, simply because my hair is just black, and even though this unit is dark rooted, it's still very far from my hair, so I will have to be very creative trying to do an up and down, which I will still attempt to do, but for today, I wasn't in the mood to do all of that. When I wore it before, I did put a braid in front and rocked it as that was me just being a little more fancy, you know, for that particular look I was going for. So you can also do stuff like that. You could get very creative with this hairstyle. You can wear it as a high bun going up. You could wear it as a ponytail if you wish. You can also, even though there is no parting space, you could still bring it to the side if you wish, and you know, you can rock it like that. I mean, it's a wig, guys. Have fun with it. Have fun with it. And I wanted the straight unit because I have a lot of curlier, wavier textures, and I really wanted a straight look, and I'm so happy I got her. And guys, you would be too. And there's so many color options, so you can't go wrong. You can't and all of them I believe are dark rooted, so go wild, have fun. Are we focused? We are focused. Basically me just saying, she's a winner, she's cheap, she's beautiful, and it's really a natural texture. This is my first natural texture unit that I finally picked up. So that's all for this video, and I hope you join me for the next one. I always forget to say, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, I would really appreciate if you just do me a solid. Also click the notification bell so that you don't miss any material I put forward for you. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.